Hello everyone. So in this video I'll start with the magazines, books and their authors. Question 1 is which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? A is Abul Kalam Azad, Hind Swaraj. So option A itself is not correct because Hind Swaraj was written by Mahatma Gandhi. Annie Besant, New India, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Commonwealth, and Mahatma Gandhi, India Wins Freedom. All the options are correct except A. Annie Besant founded Central Hindu College in 1898 and was elected as the chairperson of Theosophical Society in 1907. 1914, she started publishing Commonwealth and New India. Hindu Swaraj is the book of Mahatma Gandhi, and the India Wins Freedom is the masterpiece of Abul Kalam Azad. So, memories in title Bapu My Mother was written by. It is not Bapu My Father, but it is Babu My Mother. It was written by Manu Bain. Manu Bain. Options are B.R. Nanda, Rajkumari Amrita Kaur, and C is Mahadev Desai, and D is Manu Bain. So Manu Bain is the right answer. D is the right answer. Bapu My Mother was written by Manu Bain. Option 3 is the book India Means Freedom is the autobiography of. So India Means Freedom is the autobiography of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Next is who has written the book named Gita Rahasya. Gita Rahasya was written by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak wrote the book Gita Rahasya in Mandle jail. Where? In Mandle jail. Next is which one of the following books was written by Tilak? So Gita Rahasya was written by Tilak, and next is Srimad Bhagavad Gita Rahasya was written by. So it was written by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Srimad Bhagavad Gita was written by Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and next is Aurobindo Ghosh wrote the Life Divine. Aurobindo Ghosh wrote the Life Divine. Okay, Aurobindo Ghosh wrote the Life Divine. Aurobindo Ghosh in his letter Vande Mataram criticized the partition of Bengal in 1905 AD. As a result, he was sent to jail on May 4th, 1908, where he studied the spiritual text. After 1910 AD, he took retirement from the politics and started living at Pondicherry. As a great philosopher and scholar and writer, he wrote many texts. Some of his texts were The Life Divine and The Idol of Human Unity and an essay on the Gita. Next is who was the first historian who wrote about the feudalism in Rajasthan during 19th century. So he was Colonel James Todd. Colonel James Todd in his book Animals and Antiquities of Rajasthan wrote about the feudalism in Rajasthan during 19th century. Next is which one of the following is not correctly matched? So Unhappy India, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So A is not correct. Unhappy India was written by Lala Lajpat Rai. So it is not associated with Bal Gangadhar Tilak. A is not correct. Durgesh Nandini. Durgesh Nandini, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, India Means Freedom, Abul Kalam Azad, and Poverty and British Rule in India, Dadabhai Naoroji. All the options are correct. Option 1 A is not correctly matched. The author of Unhappy India was Lala Lajpat Rai, not Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who chaired the special session of Indian National Congress. Bal Gangadhar Tilak entitled Kesari and Maratha. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee was the author of the Durgesh Nandini, who wrote the Anand Mad. India Means Freedom was written by the Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. The essay Poverty and Un-British Rule in India was written by Dadabhai Naoroji. Next question is, who among the following is the author of the Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? So, Poverty and Un-British Rule in India was written by Dadabhai Naoroji, and Dadabhai Naoroji, also known as the Grand Old Man of India. Poverty and British Rule, Dadabhai Naoroji, and he brought attention by his book on the draining of the India's wealth into Britain. So he was one of the intellectuals who, for the first time, concluded that India's wealth is draining into Britain. Next question is which one of the following is not correctly matched? Larry Collins, Dominic Lapierre. तो ये जो है हमारा इसमें फ्रीडम एट मिडनाइट, दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. दुर्गा दास, इंडिया फ्रॉम करजन टू नेहरू एंड आफ्टर, दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. के अजीज, द मैन हु डिवाइडेड इंडिया, दिस इज रॉन्ग. मैन हु डिवाइडेड इंडिया is Rafiq Zakaria, I think. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, India Wins Freedom. So let's see the writer of the book The Man Who Divided India was Rafiq Zakaria, and other three options are correctly matched. Next is the book The Man Who Divided India was written by, so it was written by Rafiq Zakaria. It was written by Rafiq Zakaria. Next is match the following correctly. India wins freedom, ruins and runs, or runs and ruins. Young India, new India. So Sunil Gavaskar runs and ruins. Abul Kalam Azad. In Abul Kalam Azad, India wins freedom. Young India, Mahatma Gandhi, New India, Annie Besant. So this is the correct match. India wins freedom. Abul Kalam Azad runs and ruins. Sunil Gavaskar, Young India, Mahatma Gandhi, and New India, Annie Besant. Next is which one of the following is correctly matched? Writer and books. Valentine Shirol. Uh, Unhappy India. I think Valentine Shirol. The Indian Unrest, sorry. Valentine Shirol wrote Indian Unrest. Rafiq Zakaria, The Man Who Divided India. Subhash Chandra Bose, The Indian Struggle, and V.D. Savarkar, Unhappy India. V.D. Savarkar, Unhappy India. Valentine Shirol composed the book The Indian Unrest. The Man Who Divided India was written by Rafiq Zakaria. Subhash Chandra Bose wrote The Indian Struggle, and V.D. Savarkar composed Hindutva. V.D. Savarkar composed Hindutva. The book Unhappy India is a masterpiece of Lala Lajpat Rai. So, sorry, Man Who Divided India. Okay, sorry, which is correctly matched? Which is correctly matched? So, B is correctly matched. Rafiq Zakaria, The Man Who Divided India. Valentine Shirol, Indian Unrest, and V.D. Savarkar wrote Hindutva, and Unhappy India is the masterpiece of Lala Lajpat Rai. Unhappy India is the masterpiece of Lala Lajpat Rai. Subhash Chandra Bose, The Indian Struggle. So, who was the author of the Indian Unrest? The author of the Indian Unrest was Valentine Shirol. Indian Unrest was written by the Valentine Shirol. He termed the Bal Gangadhar Tilak as the father of the unrest in India. As a result, Tilak sued him for defamation. Match 1 and 2. There are two lists. I will read the list 1 first. Surendra Banerjee, M.K. Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Lala Lajpat Rai. List 2 is Hind Swaraj, Indian Struggle, autobiographical writings, and A Nation in Making. So, Surendra Banerjee wrote A Nation in Making, M.K. Gandhi, Hind Swaraj, Subhash Chandra Bose, The Indian Struggle, and Lala Lajpat Rai, autobiographical writing. This is the correct match. Surendra Banerjee, A Nation in Making, M.K. Gandhi, Hind Swaraj, Subhash Chandra Bose, The Indian Struggle, and Lala Lajpat Rai, autobiographical writings. Who wrote the book A Nation in Making? So it was written by Surendranath Banerjee. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Jawaharlal Nehru, Hind Swaraj. It is not correct because Hind Swaraj was written by Gandhi ji. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, India Wins Freedom. Subhash Chandra Bose, Indian Struggle, and Lala Lajpat Rai, Unhappy India. So this is the printing error. I will let you know. Otherwise, I am explaining this if I can. Just a minute. Match the names mentioned in the column. Okay. History of the freedom movement in India. B is history of the freedom movement in Bihar, and C is Anand Math, and D is percepts of Jesus. So correct code is History of the Freedom Movement in India, written by Tara Chand, is the history of India. Indian freedom struggle. Anand Math, based on the Sannyasi rebellion. Anand Math was based on the Sannyasi rebellion 1763 to 1800, was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and Percepts of Jesus was the masterpiece of the Ram Mohan Roy. ठीक है. Next is V.D. Savarkar, R.C. Majumdar, and Radha Kamal Mukherjee, S.B. चौधरी. ठीक है, S.B. चौधरी. तो एक बार हम देख लेते हैं कि इसमें अगर डायरेक्टली दिया होगा तो ठीक है. देखिए इसमें है Awadh revolt in 1857 to 1858 is the breaking study of the popular resistance and the present rebellion in the colonial India, written by the रुद्र. थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है इसमें, मैं एक दो क्वेश्चन है मैं आपको बाद में इसको करा दूंगी, ठीक है. इसमें थोड़ा सा बिल्कुल उल्टा हो गया, शायद 2-3 क्वेश्चन और होंगे इसमें, ये मैं आपको बाद में करा दूंगी, ठीक है. इसमें देख लेते हैं एक बार. The correct match of the following: भगत सिंह, इंट्रोडक्शन टू ड्रीमलैंड एंड इंट्रोडक्शन टू ड्रीमलैंड. ड्रीमलैंड एक अलग से भी आएगा, so you have to remember that an introduction to dreamland is related to the Bhagat Singh and dreamland एक अलग है, अभी हम उसको देखेंगे. सुभाष चंद्र बोस, इंडियन स्ट्रगल. सचिन नाथ सन्याल, बंदी जीवन. भगवती चरण बोहरा, माई वाई आई एम अथीस्ट. वाई आई एम एन अथीस्ट. भगवती चरण बोहरा, वाई आई एम एन अथीस्ट, ठीक है. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Bhagat Singh, the Indian sociologist, A is not correctly matched. Sachin Das Sanyal, Bandi Jeevan. Lala Ram Saran Das, Dreamland. So I was talking about this only. Lala Ram Saran Das was wrote Dreamland, and Bhagat Singh wrote an introduction to Dreamland. Okay, Samji Krishna Verma was an revolutionary who founded the Indian sociologist in London. Thus, except option A, all the options are correctly matched. Who was the author of the Annihilation of Caste? So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the author. B.R. Ambedkar, and he wrote this in 1936. By 1936, the speech was prepared as the presidential address to annual conference of the Hindu reformist group Jat Pat Todak Mandal on ill effects of the caste in Hindu society. Next is, which one of the following pair is correctly matched? Durga Das, Louis Fisher, Frank Morris, मौलाना अबुल कलाम आज़ाद. ठीक है, कौन सा, सॉरी इसमें मैच नहीं करना, इसमें हमें करेक्ट कौन सा बताना है. तो देखिए, फ्रैंक मॉरिस जो है वो जो है नेहरू, उन्होंने क्या लिखा था? फ्रैंक मॉरिस जवाहरलाल नेहरू अ बायोग्राफी. फ्रैंक मॉरिस जवाहरलाल नेहरू बायोग्राफी. सी इज़ नॉट करेक्ट, ठीक है. सॉरी, सी इज़ करेक्ट एंड ऑल द ऑप्शंस आर एक्सेप्ट सी और रॉन्ग, ठीक है. तो सी जो है हमारा फ्रैंक मॉरिस, उन्होंने जवाहरलाल नेहरू बायोग्राफी वो लिखा था उन्होंने, ठीक है. तो अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे हम. अच्छा, इसमें हम देख लेते हैं. जवाहरलाल नेहरू बायोग्राफी वॉज रिटन बाय द फ्रैंक रॉबर्ट मॉरिस. फर्दर करेक्ट मैचिंग is as follows: the life of Mahatma Gandhi, Louis Fisher, and India from Karjan to Nehru, and after Durga Das, and India divided, Rajendra Prasad. ठीक है. So we will start from the 30th question in next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.